Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and haul video. I have this huge box of goodies that I got sent from the Washi Tape Shop with a bunch of washi tape, of course, and some other fun products. I'm going to be giving you a close look at all of this washi tape and also doing some swatches, and just look at this huge collection of goodies that I have here. Isn't that just the best sight in the world? There is so much fun stuff to dig into here, so let's get started. I'm starting off with the most standard version of washi, which is just like a medium width with a nice printed pattern. And I have 3 different rolls here. The first one is the Apricot flower, which is just a really nice pretty teal color with these delicate flower branches and leaves. This is one of my favorite colors. I'm always drawn to different types of floral washi tape, and I love how elegant this one was, so it was right up my alley. The next roll is called Shades of Mauve, and it's another floral one, but it's a little bit of a different style with these fun, playful watercolor flowers. And I think this cool toned color palette would be so perfect for a spring project. And the third one is called Leaves of Maidenhair, which I thought would be perfect for the autumn season. I definitely am going to use this in my bullet journal for October and throughout the fall. And I think these Maidenhair leaves are a fun little twist on the typical autumn leaves, which are usually just like maple and oak leaves. Next, I have 2 different sets that have 5 rolls of washi each. These rolls are skinnier than your standard width, and I like having a variation of widths to play with. And I really liked these sets because they have very basic geometric patterns in very neutral colors, which I really love. I think that you can never have enough neutral washi tape because even though colorful, playful washi tape is really fun to shop for and to have in your collection, I find that the neutral washi tape are always the ones that I'm going to reach for the most because they can work on virtually any layout or project. The first set has more of a muted, warm tone, and the second set has more variation and more of a cool color palette, so I thought it would be nice to have both sets in my collection. Just look at all of those beautiful stripe and grid patterns. That is just perfection. Let me know what you guys think about having more neutral washi tape like this in your collections. The next set is a 3-piece set of these Japanese-inspired waves, and this has always been one of my favorite patterns. I just think it's so elegant, but very easy to use because it's very geometric and neutral in that way. The white roll in this set is my favorite because it's super wide and has almost this like embossed texture to it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's really pretty and has the most beautiful sheen to it. It kind of looks like a pearl finish to me. The second one is this black roll with the gold gilding, which you can definitely see on camera. It's very shiny and pretty. And the third one is a more neutral brown and tan kind of color scheme, and it also has that sort of pearly sheen to it as well. I like how all 3 pieces in this set are very coordinated, but you also get 3 different widths and colors in a very neutral palette. Next, I have some sets that I was really excited to play around with because I've never seen anything like this before. These are washi tape sets that actually have different petal stickers instead of being a continuous roll. So here's a packaging where you can see that you can layer these petals together to create flowers or just use the petals separately. And I got 2 different color sets for this. So the first one is a pink one and the second one is like a violet blue kind of theme. I'll be showing you the pink one first. And if you guys like pink, you are really going to love this set because look how pretty they are all lined up like that. So I'm starting off, this is my first time ever using this product and I'm just giving it a go, layering together these flower petals exactly as they came out. I'm not really too finicky about it, and you can see there's one sticker that was just a whole flower by itself instead of a petal, so I just put that off to the side. And it was super easy for me to create this really beautiful flower that looks so realistic. So I'm gonna try out another roll and see if that one's just as easy. And this one has much bigger petals, which were much easier to manipulate with my fingers because the other one was a little finicky because the petals were so delicate, but that one was super simple too. Next, I have a different flower. This is actually a lily, which would have been perfect for the theme that I just did, which was a lily theme, where I illustrated all of the lilies. But if you feel like you don't have great illustration skills, then this would be a perfect option for you to have in your collection because you can so easily create these flowers using this washi tape. Even though I illustrated lilies for like an entire month for that theme, I somehow couldn't put together this lily correctly and it was looking really weird to me. So I pulled out the packaging and just took a look at it and took a look at all the petals on the back that came in the set, and I ended up ripping all of this out and then reorganizing it based on the packaging. So definitely say save the packaging for this product if you buy it because you can reference it if you ever need it in the future. And that's the other great thing about this material being washi tape. It's super easy to rip up. You don't have to worry about ripping your paper at all. So by following that photo on the front, I was able to recreate the flower and it looks much better this time. Moving on to the other petal set that I got, which is the violet one. So I wanted to show you this first one, which I thought was really cool because instead of being petals, each sticker is actually just a whole flower. So this one has a bunch of pansies or violas, and you can just use each one kind of like a sticker. But again, what's fun is that it's the washi tape material, so it's a little bit translucent, and you can also peel it up and remove it if you need to, or if you mess up your spot. I think these ones are really cute and they'll be so fun to scatter all around different bullet journal pages. And I'm trying out a different set which has these really frilly blue purple kinds of petals which created a really pretty flower. And I would never be able to illustrate something like this on my own, so it's just really fun to have this option to put this together really quickly. Next I have this red and yellow flower, which I feel like is not part of this violet color scheme, but I kind of like having that there because then you have more variation in colors that makes this set more usable in different applications. And that one was really the easiest for me to put together. It took no thinking or precision at all, which was great. Next I have this skinnier roll, which makes this smaller blue petaled flower, and both sets have different widths of flower petals, so you can make different size flowers like this. This set has another roll of stickers that are just whole images, and this one has succulents, which I think would be really popular because succulents are so trendy right now. And just think how handy it would be to have this roll on hand if you just did like a succulent theme for your bullet journal. It would make things super easy. So here's a look at the whole page with the petal set stickers that I used. Isn't it just so pretty? And I love how it just looks like a little sticker collection on my page. So the last product I have is kind of like a bonus product because this isn't really a washi tape product. So this is a set of 30 leaves that are actually stickers, which I didn't realize. I thought they were just like die cuts, but the fact that they're stickers makes them even better. You get 30 pieces and half of them have sort of like a clear sort of finish and the other one is more of like that translucent washi tape matte finish. So it's kind of nice to have an option of both of them, and it comes in a bunch of different fall colors, which I think will be so perfect. I'm already planning on using this in my October plan with me, and this will just make things so fun, so perfect for fall, and it will take no time at all to incorporate these in my bullet journal. So that's everything for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got. And just as a general review, I would say I'm very pleased with all of the products that I received. I like that they feel like very high quality washi tapes. They have that really nice papery finish. They don't have like a shiny feel that I've seen in some washi tape that I really don't like. And I love all of the different innovative fun products that they have as well, like those petal sets. Those were super fun to play with. If you guys want to check out any of these products for yourself, you can use my code to get 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Another day go by, don't know what got me now. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.